Where is the battery located and how do you replace it on a WR450? This is a 2006 model. And the battery is under the seat and the battery lays flat, sideways like that. You just take this clamp off to loosen the battery. There's a black negative on this side and a red positive on that side. The battery will just come out. You have to get the seat off, which there's 2 bolts in the back of the seat, 2 hooks right here that hold the seat, and another hook that holds the seat in the front right there. And then while you're at it, get in here and clean the dust out and things like that. But we're going to just grab a screwdriver, put a new battery in, and give it a test. This is a 2006 WR450. Alright, the batteries always come with a new set of bolts, nuts I guess you could say. So we might as well use them. They'll be nice and clean and make a really good connection. So you just put them in there and try to avoid throwing it down underneath the battery. And then you set the battery in the proper place. Just gotta wiggle it down in there. This one seems pretty snug, which I guess is okay. And then we'll just put the screw back down through the copper, and the nut will come up and make the connection, and then you get your tiniest little screwdriver you could ever find. If these connections are corroded or green or fuzzy, go get some baking soda and put it in water. That'll help you get rid of the acid, clean it all up. Might have been a good idea anyway. So then with battery connections, it's always good with any electrical connection to make sure it's nice and tight, clean, and really snug down. Cool. Turns it right over. We are good to go. So I'll just put the seat back on. I'm going to charge this a little bit, and we'll be ready to ride.